multiple choice questions from the chapter Current Electricity. Question number 1. Electric current is option A scalar quantity, option B vector quantity, option C may be both depending upon case, option D dimensionless quantity. Here the correct answer is option A scalar quantity. Question number 2. SI unit of electric current is option A ampere, option B coulomb second, option C volt, option D watt. Here the correct answer is option A ampere. Question number 3. Free electron mobility is defined as option A drift velocity acquired by the free electron per unit potential, option B drift velocity acquired by free electron per unit current, option C drift velocity acquired by the free electron per unit work done, option D drift velocity acquired by the free electron per unit electric field. Here the correct answer is option D drift velocity acquired by the free electron per unit electric field. Question number 4. Charge carriers in metals are option A only conduction electrons, option B hole sign conduction electrons, option C only holes, option D ions. Here the correct answer is option A only conduction electrons. Question number 5. Electric current can flow through option A dry wood, option B mercury, option C plastic, option D glass rod. Here the correct answer is option B mercury. Question number 6. With the increase of temperature, relaxation time of free electrons in a conductor. Option A increases, option B decreases, option C remains same, option D becomes 0. Here the correct answer is option B decreases. Question number 7. In metals, electrons flow from option A one equipotential point to another equipotential point, option B in the direction of electric field, option C lower potential to another equipotential point, option D higher potential to lower potential. Here the correct answer is option C lower potential to another equipotential point. Question number 8. Select the correct statement. Option A electric current is directly proportional to drift velocity, option B electric current is directly proportional to free electron density, option C electric current is directly proportional to area of cross section of the conductor, option D all. Here the correct answer is option D all. Correct relation for Ohm's equivalent form. Option A J is equal to sigma by E, option B sigma is equal to JE, option C E is equal to J sigma, option D J is equal to sigma E. Here the correct answer is option D J is equal to sigma E. Question number 10. Relation between current and drift velocity is option A I is equal to NAE/VD, option B I is equal to NAE square VD, option C I is equal to Q by T, option D both A and C. Here the correct answer is option A I is equal to NAE/VD. Question number 11. Select the correct relation. Option A I is equal to VR, option B R is equal to VI, option C R is equal to VI, option D V is equal to IR. Here the correct answer is option D V is equal to IR. Question number 12. A wire is stretched to double its length, its resistivity. Option A remains same, option B doubles, option C becomes half, option D becomes 4 times. Here the correct answer is option A remains same. Question number 13. Reciprocal of resistivity is known as option A conductance, option B resistance, option C conductivity, option D relaxation time. Here the correct answer is option C conductivity. Question number 14. The SI unit of resistivity of the material is option A ohm per meter, option B ohm per meter square, option C ohm meter, option D ohm. Here the correct answer is option C ohm meter. Question number 15. Kirchhoff's junction rule is based on option A conservation of energy, option B conservation of momentum, option C conservation of charge, option D conservation of mass. Here the correct answer is option C conservation of charge. Question number 16. Kirchhoff's mesh or loop rule is based on option A conservation of energy, option B conservation of momentum, option C conservation of charge, option D conservation of mass. Here the correct answer is option A conservation of energy. Question number 17. For the balanced Wheatstone's network, the potential difference between the terminals of the galvanometer is option A 0, option B less than 0, option C more than 0, Option D, half of the EMF of the cell of the network. Here the correct answer is option A, 0. Question number 18. The best material to make standard resistances is option A, copper, option B, silver, option C, manganese, option D, aluminum. Here the correct answer is option C, manganese. Question number 19. Select wrong statement. Option A, temperature coefficient resistance of semiconductor is negative value. Option B, TCR of metal is positive value. Option C. Here the correct answer is option D, Ohm's law is applicable to electrolytic solution. Question number 20. The SI unit of EMF of a cell is option A, volt, option B, joule, option C, Newton meter, option D, volt per meter. Here the correct answer is option A, volt. Potential difference across the cell is always dash than EMF. Option A, more, option B, equal, option C, less, option D, B or C, depends upon temperature. Here the correct answer is option C, less. Question number 22. If identical two cells, each of EMF E, connected in parallel, then equivalent EMF across the combination is option A, E by 2, option B, 2E, option C, E, option D, E square. Here the correct answer is option C, E. Question number 23. Select the correct formula for electric power. Option A, P is equal to V by I. Option B, P is equal to I by V. Option C, P is equal to I square V. Option D, P is equal to VI. Here the correct answer is option D, P is equal to VI. Question number 24. How will you connect three cells to get maximum EMF? Option A, in series, option B, in parallel, option C, 2 in series and third one in parallel, option D, 2 in parallel and third one in parallel. Here the answer is option A, in series. Thank you.